We'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this our first video for C++, I'm going to be showing you what stuff or what do we have to install. Now the first thing that you have to install at the moment is an editor. How do you install them? Now the thing that I have to let you know, to install them, you just have to come back here and say dev free install, because you're going to be using dev++. You can go there or you can go to this latest here. Now this one will take you straight to the downloading page where you can just click. If you're only using Linux, please you can take that one, and it's also with the Windows. So the latest, there's also one here. You can go to softnik.com, or you can just take this one for the community, whereby when you click there, you will be in the position to decide which one to pick around your program. Take that, just sorry for that, just said here you can just pick the one from here, and you're picking this for C++. So guys, that's how it is. So you can just click there, this one here. So you can just come in here, please, and you click what known as download, so that you can straight away download dev++, because that's what you're going to be using. So you can just click download. I hope if you click download, it will show you that download will started. So make sure you click download and you're ready and download it. So I've already shown where you can always pick up the page, which is that. So guys, that's it. So hope you guys you will love it. So make sure you just do the same thing, go and just try to download up the page. Otherwise, I'm going to add this URL onto this very video. So guys, you check it on, and then you happen to download the same stuff if at all you're interested. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, if this video has helped you, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all, love you all. Thank you guys.